It's Tim Albright with AVNation with the road to InfoComm. InfoComm 2023 happens the 14th through the 16th of June. And with me to talk about RTI and their presence, Mr. Bill Hensley from RTI. Welcome, sir.
Good to see you, Tim.
Good to see you. Good to see you. We'll get to see you in about a month. 4272 is where we will find RTI and all of the control and signal distribution goodness that you guys have. So this time around, Bill, we walk into the booth, 4272. What will we find?
Well, you're going to find us most interested in talking to you, the integrator, because this is why we go to shows, to hear your pain points, learn what your opportunities are, see how things fit in. When an integrator goes to a show, Tim, we know that there's a whole bunch of different manufacturers. So why should they come to the booth? Well, what you're going to see is our time-saving, 100% customizable control, tailored to commercial and pro needs. And I cannot overemphasize the 100% customization. It seems like just yesterday that we're at ISE, and that came up time and time again from integrators who stopped by new to us, said, how customizable is this interface? I said, well, 100%. How's that? Great, let's talk. So important, yes. What vertical markets? Well, whatever you're doing, we're there with you. Boardrooms, meeting rooms, huddle spaces, lecture halls, classrooms, houses of worship, of course, restaurants and bars. Product is designed for these commercial environments, whether it's our control in-wall, on-wall, tabletop, countertop, keypads, remotes, of course, our name is Remote Technologies Incorporated, or our phone and tablet control with the RTI mobile app. Now, again, 100% customizable user interfaces and on the automation to go behind it. So why is this important? Well, take that restaurant example. The manager wants to be able to control the whole restaurant. So maybe she's walking around the facility with her iPad and she's able to get in and do anything that she needs to do. The bartender, on the other hand, maybe all he needs to do really is change what's on the different TVs in the bar. So he has a simpler interface. And in fact, she probably doesn't want him even having access to a lot of what she has access to. So again, 100% customizable and on the back end as well. So systems scale like nobody's business, more than enough processing power for even the largest projects. What really makes it come to life is the complexity that we bring down with our integration designer software. One platform, unlimited opportunities. So whatever you're programming, integration designer will make it easier, faster for you. Most versatile, efficient control programming and system configuration, we think, on the market. And what's important is that this can reduce workload. And time is money. And particularly in these days of shrinking ROIs, labor shortages and all that, we try to make it easier for the dealer to do more and better business. Again, I cannot overemphasize that 100% customizability. It means you can tailor the functionality to the commercial client's needs, regardless of what they're controlling, whether it's audio, video in the restaurant, collaboration systems in the office, wired, wireless presentation, room scheduling, audio, video routing, whatever you're trying to control, you can do it with RTI. We've got an open API and a network of third-party developers. So if you see something that you need controlled by RTI, we can do it. You can either write the driver yourself or you can contact somebody else to do it, but we make it possible for you to do that. And we got your back. Our tech support team wins awards. We've been in the market for over 30 years now, innovating for over 30 years, training to get you started, online, in person. And once you've got the system up and running, we've got the RTI Cube remote management platform to help you monitor your installed systems. So one thing that comes up is product availability, and this is where we got your back as well. We've been doing a great job of staying in stock, and as our CEO will say, we don't want our inventory challenges to be your inventory problems. So what's new at InfoComm? Well, what's really new and cool at InfoComm is we're sharing the booth with Bluestream. So why are we doing this? Well, in the U.S., we are also Bluestream. Your Bluestream product ships out of the RTI warehouse. You talk to the same customer service or tech support with your Bluestream questions, so you have with your RTI questions. It's a great relationship and a great opportunity for integrators. Now, Bluestream, of course, is control brand agnostic. So if you're working with another control brand, we still want you to come to the booth because there's some great solutions to show you. And I think you're going to be talking to Jason Fitzgerald later. I'll let him talk about those. But Bluestream has some particularly rich and native integrations with RTI. And we're going to be highlighting some of those at the show. So it ends up being a real win for customers. Complete solution, control, AV distribution, exceptional integrations, single source, which makes it easy, whether you're buying from RTI or from one of our key distributors in the U.S. who's carrying both the brands as well. And of course, the unparalleled support, tech support, as well as our sales engineers who can help you design a system when you're getting started with RTI and with Bluestream. Again, it's a win-win. And the thing that's really cool to me, my favorite new product, I think, is we're also there with our new VP of Global Sales, Josh Litwack. So if for no other reason, come by to say hello to Josh. He's been working in and around commercial control for a long time. We're thrilled to have him join the team.
All right, very cool. All right, Bill, 4272 is where we will find you. Not everybody is going. So if they're not and they want to follow along with everything that RTI is going to be talking about that week, how do they do that?
Well, absolutely. You're going to go to rticontrol.com. You'll see all our latest news there. And from there, you can also see links to all of our social media where we're putting real-time updates out there all the time.
All right, very good. Bill Hensley from RTI. 4272 is where we will find him. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. Follow along as we also head to Orlando the 14th through the 16th of June for InfoComm 2023. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.